Okay, so we'll just do a short review on the 04, what is Chevy 2500 HD. It's the GoPro. Here, come over here. Ready? Let's get up there. So just change the oil in it. This truck came from, where'd it come from? Minnesota. Minnesota, eh? Minnesota. Found it on Craigslist. Good price, good deal. It's pretty rust free. I mean, rockers are in good shape. There is some back here, but to be expected. But that's like perfect. There isn't in the air. It's just a really clean truck. 3/4 ton extended cab. That's what I wanted. So yeah, just wiped down the interior a little bit and cleaned it out. So I really like these trucks. They're just good trucks. A lot of people run them up here. It's got 131,000 miles on it. Got the bed liner, manhole cover we'll put in. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is about 340 horsepower and probably, I don't know, somewhere around there. Hi, Avery. Of torque. 6-liter 04. I don't know if I said that. 3/4 ton HD pickup truck. This is a new work truck, new hot rod. She's been doing good. We're going to do a quick oil change on it. I bought it like this. I didn't put all that on there. I would prefer just to have a just the stock setup back, but whatever. This works. So change the oil and we'll be back. Here is the hot rod. 131,000 miles. It's got this on it, which is kind of cool. You can put like premium in it. It's supposed to give it more power. It was really well taken care of. It looked like somebody used it to pull, I think, a motorcycle trailer. I'm only guessing because there's some Harley Davidson stuff. It's got airbags in it too, which is kind of cool. So anyways, that is the work truck. I got lots of other stuff to review, lots more to share, and I'll probably share that you know, over the coming weeks now that it's winter time and things are slowing down. So keep watching, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later. See you.